Hey guys, it's your girl Anna and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be doing some pumpkin salad. Stay tuned if you'd like to see how I create this. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend. Let's jump right into the video. Here we have some pumpkin and this is a really good pumpkin. This is 2 pounds, but I'm going to use half of this, so I'm going to use 1 pound. I am cutting the pumpkin into strips first, and then I'm going to cube them. So the strips are about 1 inch thick and the cubes will be about half inch to 1 inch in length. So as I said before, I'm cutting them into strips, then into cubes. After cutting into cubes, I'm going to wash with some running water. Then I'm going to add it to the pot that I'm going to cook it in. Allow the water to cover the pumpkin, and then I'm going to add some salt. I'm using sea salt. You can use just about whichever salt you want to use. So I'm going to allow it to boil for 20 minutes or until cooked, but right before the pumpkin is cooked, about 2 minutes before it's finished cooking, I'm going to add some mixed vegetable, and these are the frozen mixed vegetable, to the boiling pot, because you know that the mixed vegetables are already cooked, they just need a bit of blanching. So after we have added the mixed vegetable, we're just going to allow the mixed vegetable and the pumpkin to continue cooking for 2 minutes. Then we're going to turn the stove off and drain the water from the pumpkin and the mixed vegetable. I'm using a colander, but you can use a strainer if you'd like. Once we have put it to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes, we're then going to put it in a mixing bowl and add half a teaspoon of butter. Then we're going to add 2 hard-boiled eggs, but we're going to cube them before adding them. Now we're about to add our yogurt, and you can use mayo if you don't want to use yogurt, but I'm trying to go the healthier route, and this is the Greek original yogurt. I've used about 1/4 cup. Now I'm adding some pimento, ginger and garlic powdered season. I'm also adding some black pepper, a pinch of black pepper. You can add the pepper to your taste. Now I'm using 2 spoons to combine everything. Reason for using the 2 spoons is because the pumpkin is already cooked and it is soft, so we want to still have a bit of crunch to it, so using 2 spoons will do the trick. This is what it looks like. You can eat it just as, or you can serve it with a protein or with an additional starch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Until next time, it's your girl Anna.